Hi guys, I just would like to reach out to you to basically explain this graph right now. As you can see, right, the graph here, it basically shows you what I'm trying to explain here. It's basically showing me six variables, which are basically student A, student B, student C, student D, student E, student F. And those are the marks that they have scored in an X subject, not like a specific subject, but considered an X subject. So it's 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm just trying to show you how continuous progress or continuous growth in different students have different individuals have scored certain marks, and all of those are in an increasing order. There is no percentage decrease here. All of the students have shown uh, a great percentage increase from A to F. Thank you, guys. So this can be used as a replica for an average or for a scores of a subject, or this can also be used for a what do you call a continuous improvement kind of example. So thank you guys. Okay.